Hello and welcome to another video in the Working Remotely series. This video, Remote Access with CITRIX, Phone or Tablet Setup. What will you need? To complete this process, you'll need 1. An email. This email was sent to you at your @act.gov.au email address with the subject line, "A new token has been assigned." And 2. You will need a smartphone or a tablet, Android or Apple. Some smartphones will be too old to complete the process. The email that I'm referring to will look like this. And if you scroll down within your email, then you will have a token activation code, which will look like this. This is what the token activation code looks like. It has a QR code, as you can see to the left. It has a user ID, which is my name. It has a serial number, which is 3 letters followed by 7 numbers, and an activation code. You should absolutely not share your token activation code with anyone else. This is not actually my token activation code. I have changed everything, so I am not sharing my personal details with everyone in the organization. So please, don't share. You will also need your smartphone or your tablet. Smartphones can be Apple or Android. Tablets can be Apple or Android. Some smartphones will be too old to complete the process. So let's pick up those devices. In a smartphone or a tablet, you want to go to the application store. On Android devices, this would be the Play Store. And on Apple devices, this will be the App Store. Once you are in the App Store, you will want to search for Mobile Authenticator ES. Once you have located that application, you want to press the Install button and wait until it is installed and then press the Open button. We recommend you do not download this on your data plan and use Wi-Fi. To install the program correctly so we can get those codes that we need to follow these steps. The first pop-up box. The application requires access to the unique identifier of the device in order to ensure the safety of the application data. A call-related permission is required to get the unique identifier. So we recommend you press OK for this. Now you get to see how clever the application is, because the last pop-up was warning you that it needs to manage calls, and this one is asking you if it's okay. So this pop-up says, allow auth-ES to make and manage phone calls. You need to press allow. Here we get our second prompt with no actual question, there's just an OK button warning us of what the next question will be. This says, the application requires access to the camera in order to scan images for activation, login, and transaction signing. So we are going to also press OK. The well-programmed application has already warned us about this. It says, allow auth-ES to take pictures and record video. You will need to press allow. Here is where you have a choice. It doesn't really matter which one you choose. If you choose QR code, then you will need to have a working camera on your tablet or your smartphone. Either way, after you complete this last step, the application should be working correctly and should be giving you codes. If you press the QR code button, then you will need to have your email on hand and you'll need to take a picture with your smartphone or tablet of the QR code. The blue arrow points to what is the QR code. If you haven't taken a picture or scanned a QR code before, then it's actually really fun and really quick. If you choose the top option, then you are going to the manual entry button, and you will again need to have your token activation code from your email. You will need to put the serial number into the top space and the activation code into the bottom space. Be aware that the serial number in brackets says 7 digits, so they're not interested in the first 3 letters, they're interested in the 7 numbers after those letters. It's not exactly fun, but we all know how to do it. Regardless of which option you chose to go through, your next step should be getting this screen, which says one-time password. So press on the one-time password. Well done, you did it. So what should come up when you press on that button from the last screen is the screen to your left where you have a one-time password. Now underneath that one-time password is a bar, and that password is active for a limited amount of time. So if you put in passwords quickly, then that's not going to be relevant to you. But if you take your time, then you might need to keep an eye on how much time you've got left before that particular password runs out. On the right-hand side is a screenshot of my phone. Next time I need a one-time password, I am going to press on the application that was downloaded, Auth ES, and up will come the screen on your left. I will get a one-time password every time I press on that application. If these steps did not work for you, then we recommend you 1. Take a deep breath. 2. Uninstall the application from your phone. 3. Restart your phone. 4. Try this process again. And 5. Email #sharedservices ICT CSD at act.gov.au. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.